Hey gorgeous! Today I'm going to bring you guys along my pamper routine. So I'm going to share with you everything I like to do when it comes to my hair, skincare, and even hair removal on my body. So I think it's always important to make sure that you take some time for yourself and do the things that you enjoy. It's always important to give yourself some self-love. So on that note, let's just jump right into the pamper routine. First thing I like to do when it comes to my pamper routine is put on a cute outfit, and that means silk. Today I am partnering up with Lily Silk. I am blown away by their quality, and they offer a variety of silk products all the way from clothes, PJs, robes, bedding, and so much more. As you guys can tell, I put on this white silk cami. I absolutely loved it, and I just paired it with some black flowy pants. Whenever I think of pamper routine, I just think of silk. It is so soft on the skin and luxurious, and there are actually so many benefits when it comes to silk in general. Silk is resistant to dust, bacteria, and won't absorb moisture or build up oil, and it's not drying on your skin. And as you can see, all of the products that you order from Lily Silk come in these really cute boxes. The shipping and everything just came so fast. Something else I picked up from Lily Silk is this scrunchie. It is just this beautiful dusty rose color, and whenever it comes to my pamper routine, I love to throw out my hair into a nice bun. These scrunchies are super gentle on your hair, so it's great even for dry, damaged, or weak hair. It's really gonna help reduce breakage, and you're not going to get the creases in your hair. They have all different colors when it comes to all their silk products. And something else I incorporated into my pamper routine is changing my pillowcases. I am just using these pink rosy pillowcases from Lily Silk, and if you guys don't own a silk pillowcase, I totally recommend buying some. There are many reasons to own a silk pillowcase. Your face has more contact with your pillowcase than any other fabric, therefore your choice in a pillowcase is very important. It really helps your skin stay healthy and smooth while also helping reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It is hypoallergenic, and it really helps keep your skin more hydrated, as well as it's also great for the hair. It reduces bedhead and split ends, and it's a lot more gentle on your hair. It helps with static and frizziness, and also makes your blowouts last longer. Lily Silk pillowcases is entirely free of additives, chemicals, and it's made of long-stand mulberry silk. It's great for sensitive skin and acne-prone skin. I decided to go for the pink color because I just wanted a little pop to my bed. I will link Lily Silk in my description box, and I will also link all the products that I just showed you guys. And Lily Silk was nice enough to provide me with a coupon code, so if you use the code Nicoletta12, you can get 12% off anything on their website, and you're just going to feel so luxurious. The pieces are just amazing quality. Once I changed out my pillowcases, I just went ahead and I lit up a candle. I love just having the smell in my room. It just is so relaxing, and it just really sets the tone for a pamper day. And then of course, no pamper routine is complete without getting some sort of hot drink, so I went ahead and just made myself some tea. Shout out to my best friend Jessica for the mug. If you guys are curious where the mug is from, it is actually from Indigo. It is so cute. I'm obsessed. But I went ahead and just brought the tea up, and the first thing I like to do when it comes to my pamper routine is washing my skin using all of my products and going ahead and putting on a face mask. Before I put on my face mask, I make sure I take off any makeup, and I go ahead with my cleanser and clean it with my Foreo cleansing brush. And then once I'm done that, I will go in with any type of face mask. Today I went with this apricot face mask, and this one is more of a 2-in-1 product. You can use it as a scrub or you can use it as a mask, which is what I went for. So I applied it all over my skin, of course avoiding my eyes. I just like to apply all my face masks with a clean makeup brush. This is like my brush dedicated to putting on my mask, but I love to make sure I do a face mask at least once a week, and I'll go back and forth between a bunch of them. You guys know I have an obsession with face masks, and this is just really going to help with your skin. And this one is also a great exfoliator, so once I let it sit for a few minutes, then I will go ahead, as you guys will later see, and I just rub it in to make sure it exfoliates my skin, because of course I do like to exfoliate once a week as well. But once I finish putting on my mask, this is the time I just like to sit back and relax and go ahead and watch my shows or watch YouTube. That is something that I really enjoy doing, and I feel like a lot of the times we get really busy and we have so many things to do. So whenever I have that time where I can just sit down with my tea, a face mask, and watch my favorite movies or shows, it is a good day. And it's always important to take some time out and just to relax and have time with yourself. Those are always the best times. And of course, I have my silk pillowcases from Lily Silk, which I changed my pillows so that at nighttime when I go to sleep, it's really gentle on my skin and as well as my hair. Once I allowed my face mask to sit, I went ahead now and I just rubbed it into my skin because it does have like little exfoliating beads, and it's really just going to exfoliate your skin. And then I will go ahead and just rinse it off with some warm water. Now I'm going to move on to my shower routine and little things I like to do at least once a week. Beginning first with my shampoo, I am just going in with my Matrix Biolage Hydra Source shampoo. This one is super great if you have dry, damaged hair. I have really dry hair, so I like to use this as my regular shampoo. It just moisturizes it really nicely, and it really helps with the frizziness of my hair, as well as it smells amazing and it lathers really well in the hair. Something I do like to do once a week when it comes to my hair is just doing a deep treatment, and I am just using this Biolage treatment. This one's amazing for dry, frizzy hair, so if you struggle with frizzy hair, I totally recommend this one. It has chamomile in it and as well as castor oil, which is super hydrating for the hair, and I'll just go ahead and apply it to my hair, especially really focusing it on the ends of my hair. Let it sit in for a few minutes before I go ahead and rinse it out. I always like to incorporate this at least once a week. I just find that it really keeps my hair soft, shiny, keeps the frizziness down. Of course, with my shower routine, I just go ahead and wipe off my body and wipe it with soap. I always just use a plain simple bar of soap. I just find it's the best for my skin. It doesn't break me out, and I find my body is pretty sensitive to a lot of different types of soaps, and it tends to break me out, so I always go back to just sticking with a simple bar of soap. Once I am done that, it is time for some body hair removal, and I'm going to share with you my steps I like to do, and the first step being exfoliation. I'm just using the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. I've talked about this so many times now. It really helps to get off the dead skin, and before I shave, you want to make sure you get off any dead skin on your body. It will give you a smoother and closer shave. I put the scrub all over my body, and I use this blue mitt, which is really great at also exfoliating the skin. I not only applied this onto my legs, but I also went ahead and applied it all over my body because it just gets rid of all the dead skin, and it just makes your body feel super smooth after it. Your skin looks glowy and radiant. There has been said that coffee scrubs are really great with things such as cellulite as well. So I love the original coffee scrub. It does the job and it gives me the best shave possible. Once I was done applying my coffee scrub, I went in with my razor, and I love to use coconut oil as my shaving cream. It keeps my skin smooth and it really helps with cuts and burns. So I went ahead and applied it all over my legs before I went ahead and took my razor and shaved. I did a whole video around how to shave properly. I will link that video above, but I just find the coconut oil doesn't dry out my skin. It keeps it smooth and silky, and it really does the job. I just find it works really well as opposed to going for that typical shaving cream. And to finish off my pamper routine, I love to go in with my Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. If you guys haven't smelled this or have this, you need to. It makes your body smell amazing. It really lingers on your body. It just feels like you're on a tropical island, and your skin just feels so silky smooth. So that is what I will do for a pamper routine when I have extra little time to focus on my hair, my skin. Make sure you guys check out Lily Silk. Like I said, I will have everything I did talk about in the description box for you guys to go check out. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you guys to be a part of my YouTube family. And on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!